Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I have a little announcement to make. I'm not from this planet. No. I wish I could say that. I'd love to travel to other planets. I just love travel. Anyway, I just went for a freaking big walk. I got up this morning, did 12,000 steps, just got back, did in all since I got up about 28,000, which is close to 15 miles, getting there, at least 13. And then I hopped on the scale, and I hope you can see that. I've lost now over 150 pounds. The Ramen Raider way. So there you go. If I can do it, and you're in a situation where you need to do it, you can do it. So, moving along. Just another hurdle on my way to world domination. Warrior Fighting Shrimp from Mr. Lee's Noodles. So the guy who founded this company, Damian Lee, he's had, sounds like, some battles of his own. He's a 2-time cancer survivor, so that's pretty awesome. Kudos, dude. Wow. That's not something. It's like, for me, losing weight has been something that I just decided I wanted to do. That is like something you have to decide, I want to live, and go through and do without, that's about the only decision you have to make, I'm guessing. You don't really decide, yeah, I'm going to get cancer, and then I'm going to see if I can beat it. You know, it's a little different. But I'm going to say that's impressive, and I wish you continued health, sir. Thank you for making these noodles in the hopes of making other people healthy. They're rice noodles. I think they're gluten-free, but it says made using the finest ingredients, crafted authentic recipes, creating amazing taste. Absolutely no nasties, but they're low-cal. This one is the shrimp. It's 228 calories, low sugar, no palm oil. Oh, cool. It says kick-ass tom yum rice noodles with shrimp, coconut, galangal, bamboo shoots, and lemongrass. And it's a little spicy. We shall see. But yeah, it's been a day already. And today, ladies and gentlemen, is a red letter day. It's the first day of the impeachment trial. Yeah, I'm curious about how that all goes. I think it's a shame. I think it's embarrassing, honestly. Either way it turns out, I just wish everybody could figure out a way that wasn't so partisan and just to get along and figure it out. You know, I have people on my on Facebook that flip out when I do a video like this and I mention politics, especially if it's not happy about Trump, which I'm not happy about Trump. I didn't vote for him, so I'm the enemy, but that's okay. But I don't know. All I can say for those folks is My mind is not for rent to any god or government, so I hope maybe you can think about such things and perhaps realize that the trees, the flowers, the plants, and the animals outside, and the bees don't give a rat's ass about any of it. So, happiness to all, and to all, beep, 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 beep. Isn't that right, timer? Beep, 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 beep. There we go. And there's our timer. And here are our noodles. What did you say? I'm a lady? Oh, you're a lady wearing an adult. You're a little lady wearing an adult t-shirt, Mimi. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit you. I need a spoon. Here's a spoon. Let's start with this broth. That's what I think. Look at that. There's a lot of stuff in there. Okay. And there's I mean, you can see all these shrimp on top. I don't know if they're just floaty, but... The shrimp is good. Has the noodle hydrated well in 3 minutes? My guess is yes, because all the other 4... This is the 5th one I've tried in this little series. Man, and the sun keeps popping in and out today. I like it. Wonderful, wonderful. Oh man. I'm gonna have to get more out of the bottom. Give it more of a stir. I think we missed a little flavor here. And I am addicted to Flavorland, to quote a poem from a dear departed brother. Oh yeah, totally missed some. Yeah, that's the only thing I would recommend about this stuff is make sure you stir the heck out of it. Look at that. That's beautiful. I'm impressed. It definitely has a kind of homemade-y kind of thing going on, which is nice. So these are going to be available in the US soon, like in May. And if you're seeing this on theramenraider.com, it's May, so they might be available right now. Yeah. Some of these shrimp hanging out. To hang out more prominently. There's a good amount of shrimp. That's hard to find in an instant. And they're of decent size. I mean, you might say like, that's a tiny shrimp. Oh dude, you haven't seen tiny shrimp. There are really tiny shrimp in a lot of these instant noodles, but... Alright. Beauty, eh? Alright. Let's get things situated. And Rotato, why don't you take it away with a little bit of fun, happy, wackadoodle jazz music for you? Alright, cool. Well, this is the next to last one I'll be doing because there's 6 different ones available in the UK. There aren't going to be that many here in the US. They'll be available on Amazon, so, yeah, there'll be links and stuff, so. Cool, alright, well, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and have a good one. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Alright, bye.